Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to use laptop on PC, how to use WhatsApp on PC without using QR code. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Head over to your Chrome browser and search for web.whatsapp.com, and it will land you to a page like this where you can see there is a manual of using your WhatsApp on your computer, and it is showing you a QR code right beside the manual. And as we don't want to use this QR code, all we need is to click on this link with phone number. So click on the link with phone number and it will allow you to select your country. Suppose I'm in Belgium and I have this country code, and all I need to do is to type my phone number with which I have opened my WhatsApp account. Once I enter it and click on next, WhatsApp will send me a QR code. WhatsApp will send me a verification code and via email or message in my phone. All I have to do is to verify it through my website, and that's it. My WhatsApp will be connected to the PC without using that QR code. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.